Imagine making 22%, over 22% in just a single trade simply by trading cryptocurrency on Bybit. Don't think too much because I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the same result in this video, so stick around. So first off, to achieve this kind of result, you will need to probably first of all head over to trade. Okay, trade is right at the bottom lower here, so click on trade there. Once you click on there, you get to realize that we have different trading section here. From spot we have futures, option, and few others, but the particular one I'll be using for the aspect of this video and the one that gave me the results I've just shown is on the futures. So click onto the futures real quick right after clicking on trade at the bottom lower there. You probably click on futures right off the back as well. So after the end, all you need to do is to pick a particular crypto that you intend to use in doing all of this. It can be of any crypto at all from your, just click on that icon there. That icon is going to show you hundreds, if not thousands of cryptocurrencies that you can use in doing all of this. So let's quickly click on there. Once you click there, you get to realize that there are a whole lot of interface here, from favorite to spot, and the list goes on and on and on. But the one we'll be focusing more on is going to be this section that says PP12. That's the one we'll be using for the aspect of this video, PP12. So under that section, you have to be on USDT apparently, okay, because USDT is more stable compared to any other currency. So under USDT, pick any cryptocurrency, because matter of fact, I've told you there are hundreds if not thousands of them, from BTC, USDT, Ethereum, Dogecoin, the list goes on and on and on. So for me, I went for this one called ADA. So that's the one I'll be using to do all of this during the course of this video. So pick any one at all, and watch out for this strategy I'm about to show you. This will help you now, narrow down to know how to do this effectively. So once you pick the cryptocurrency, you probably have to now determine if you are going to sell the cryptocurrency or you are going to buy it. And when you sell or buy, you are speculating on the prices. So if you feel like this ADA coin is primed to go up, you can buy it low so that when it goes up, you sell high and make profits. Or either ways, if you feel like this ADA coin is about to go down, you can buy it at a more expensive price and sell it below. That's how you make money. So even if the coin probably goes up or come down, the coin value goes up or come down, you are going to be making money irrespective of the direction it goes, provided you speculated the right way. So right now, the way you now determine which direction to speculate is very simple. Okay, I'm going to be keeping it very simple so that you guys can understand, even if you are a total beginner. So this is the section that you probably go to. This section that is at the top right corner, there is two candles there, so click on that section. On that section, you are going to see a chart. This chart here is going to probably be used to analyze the price of this coin so that you can get to know which direction to take. So there are a whole lot of strategies you can use in doing this. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of strategies out there. So pick a particular strategy. Strategy is probably very simple. Trading does not even require strategy, just your psychology and your risk management. Why I said so is that there's a trade I took that gave me the result. Do you know that I had to hold that trade for weeks or days rather, if not weeks, days, up to like 3 to 4 days. So the ability for you to hold that trade that long, up to 3, 4 days, 5 days, is your psychology. So let's say for an instance, right now I am primed to still sell this coin eventually. Just for the sake of this video, let me assume that my strategy says sell. All I will need to do is to determine how much I'm willing to use to sell it. Either the entire money here, which is a 25 USDT obviously, or 50%, or 100, any amount. But pay attention to this. You get to realize that with just 25 USDT, I will be able to either long the coin or short the coin, or let me use either buy or sell the coin worth of 75 USDT with just 25 USDT. That's because my leverage is 3. That's the power of leverage. Leverage will allow you to, borrow more money to your collateral to either buy the coin or sell the coin. So that when the trade probably goes in your direction, you'll be making more compared to if you are going to be using your initial collateral. So you are literally borrowing money to leverage up your position, if that makes sense. So once the short has been activated, apparently, excuse me, right now our position is up running, okay? And let's do something called risk management here, because I told you strategy is not even the case. You have to have a very good risk management and your psychology. So let's do something for the risk management rather. So let's click on SL here /TP. This will now help you to set in your appropriate zones at which you want to take profits. So initially mine was about 22% for my take profit, so that was why I had to put it at 22%. You can watch out for this place to know the percentage profit you want to take. So mine is always 22. I do aim for more in most cases while risking less. So I put it at 22, and I'm going to be risking, for the stop loss, I'm going to be risking about 10%. So that was how to do this. You are risking small while aiming for more. That was how it works. So let's now click on confirm after all of that has been made. So once you click on confirm, the contract has been set. That contract means when the price gets to any of these two targets, the trade is going to automatically get executed by itself. And now your psychology is now the ability for you to hold on to this trade until any of those respective targets get hit. Basically, that was how I resulted in this about 22% apparently. The trading history is right there, but in most cases you can hit stop losses. So that's why controlling those losses is what will still keep you on the game, because in most cases it can probably get triggered to your take profit. In most cases it can get stopped out, but have a strategy together with risk management and your psychology, and then you are good to go. Because me personally, my strategy is always like super effective. That's the more reason I'm always correct majority of the time. Okay, so that's all for now. I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.